Have you ever wondered how to create a sleek bottom navigation bar just like the one in Google Drive? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to build it. We're gonna build this with HTML and CSS, but we're also gonna add some functionality with Angular and its built-in router. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start by creating a nav tag. This tag is specifically designed to be used as a navigation element. By using this tag, we improve accessibility. Then we're gonna need 4 A tags. This tag is semantically designed for links and navigation, making it ideal choice for our navigation. 4 A tags. The first one is home, second one start, third one shared, and the fourth is files. Next I want to add some background and get the bottom navigation bar at the bottom. Let's target the nav tag, give it a position fixed. So even though the user is scrolling through the page, the navigation bar stays fixed. Bottom of 0. Then we're gonna use a background color, dark gray, from our variable. Then I want the bottom navigation bar to take the whole width of the screen, so width of 100%. Let's change the color of the A tag, light gray. Then I want the items to be evenly spaced out through the bottom navigation bar. For that we need to use display flex and justify content space between. Then I want to add some padding, so padding of, let's do 10 pixels. Then you can see that the files, it is clipping outside of the screen. That is because we are adding width of 100% and also 10 pixels on top of that. We can fix that by using box, sizing, border box. And just like that, it's fixed. Let's use this mobile simulator extension so we can see how the bottom navigation bar is looking on a real phone. Text is way too big. Let's give it a font size of 10 pixels. Better. And of course, we want to add the icons that Google Drive has. For that, make sure you have imported matte icon module from Angular material. Then we need to modify a little bit our A tag. Let's create a div tag in here and have a matte icon, home, and span home, and do the same for others, like that. And if you're wondering where I get the names for these icons, from Google Fonts. There are so many icons that we can use. But now we want to align in a column the text and the icon. Target the div tag, give it a display flex. Flex direction will be column and align items center. Then we need to add some functionality. So when we click on the navigation item, it'll route us to different page. For that, make sure you have imported the router module in the component. Then we can use a router link and the home will point to home and do the same for the rest. And now when we click the navigation items, it routes us to different pages of the application. And this is working because I have already configured routes in my Angular application. So home is routing to home component, start to start component, and so on. Then let's remove the underline from the A tag. Go here and do text decoration none. Then I would like to show the user which navigation item is selected at the moment. So if user is at the home page, the home should be blue. We can use building Angular directive to achieve that. Router link active. And here we specify a class. Let's name it as active. So when Angular realizes this home route is active, this class is bind to this A tag. So let's add this directive to other link items. And then we shall specify what does the active class do. Active class, it'll have a color of blue. So now Angular is binding the active class to the tag we specified it. So when we click start, it'll automatically assign active class to that item, and so on for the others. Okay, we have successfully created our bottom navigation bar. You can find this code in my GitHub repository and the link is in the description below. Feel free to modify it to your liking and use it in any application you're building. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.